paint protection film or ceramic coating? Which is better for your car? Or why not do both? Introducing Hybrid PPF. Hybrid PPF is actually full frontal area PPF plus ceramic coating 2-in-1 for your car. Let's take a few minutes. Allow me to explain you what is Hybrid PPF and perhaps help you to save some money by installing Hybrid PPF. So, PPF, also known as paint protection film, is basically a transparent plastic film that is installed on your vehicle body like this. And it prevents against stone chips, scratches, and is able to protect your car. But of course, it doesn't really protect against accidents and also heavier damages to your car. It's not bulletproof after all. Ceramic coating is actually a chemical layer that is applied onto your car to prevent your car from oxidation, protects from UV rays, and also maintain the color of your car. And it also makes your car extremely slick, shiny, and also makes it easier to wash your car. Then, how about Hybrid PPF? Let's take a look at the car. Now, this is the most popular package for car enthusiasts or for people who want to look for an economical way to protect their car. Hybrid PPF. As you can see, the full frontal area of the car is protected with RhinePro PPF, and also it covers the bumper, the bonnet, the fender, the side mirrors, the headlamp, and also the door cup area. So why only the frontal area of your car? Because the frontal area is the most vulnerable area of your car. When you're driving on the highway, the little stones and the debris will actually hit the frontal area first. So if you ever own a car without PPF, remember those days where you had to deal with the ugly frontal areas of your car because of the damage? Those days are over. With full frontal PPF, never again will you have to worry about these stone chips. As we move to the back of the car, it is actually installed with ceramic coating. Ceramic coating makes your car glossy, shiny, and makes it hydrophobic, so it's easier to maintain and clean your car. The coating for Hybrid PPF package also includes your rims, your tires, your windows, your plastic trims, and also your interiors, particularly on your leather seats or your fabric seats. Hybrid PPF is potentially able to save you thousands of ringgit instead of getting a full car PPF. Now, if you have a little bit more money and you want to spend for a total car protection, of course, full car PPF is an option for you. But if the price is too high, I would strongly recommend to get Hybrid PPF instead. It is a sufficient coverage of protection for your car and also doesn't break your bank. So, does everybody need Hybrid PPF? Yes, if you are buying a new car and you want to have an economical way to protect your car paint. No, if your car's paint condition is not in a pristine condition, or if it's an existing car, then of course not. In summary, if you are a first-time car owner, or if you are a working adult trying to limit your expenditure on your car, Hybrid PPF is suitable for you. That is all for Hybrid PPF. If you want to know more information about Hybrid PPF, do contact RhinePro flagship store in Damansara or Bangsar. All the details will be in the description below. And that's all for today. Remember to subscribe to us and stay tuned for the next episode.